Let's be real. The Nissan Kicks has always been the sensible choice. Good on gas, easy to park. For 2026, Nissan completely reinvented it. The new Kicks arrives with a head-turning design, a surprisingly premium interior, and, for the first time ever, all-wheel drive. These upgrades have rivals from Honda to Toyota worried. So, is this the subcompact SUV nobody saw coming? Let's vibe for a bold, geometric style, featuring an aggressive front grille and slick, strip-style LED headlights. Around back, a clean black frame connects the taillights, making the vehicle look wider. But the biggest news might be the wheels. For the first time, you can get the Kicks with up to 19-inch alloy wheels, a size almost unheard of in this class. With ground clearance now up to 8.4 inches, it doesn't just look tougher, it is. That upscale feeling continues inside. The cabin is stunning, highlighted by a sleek panel that can house two 12.3-inch screens for your gauges and infotainment. It feels less like a budget car and more like a modern command center. The materials are a massive leap forward. The Kicks is also physically larger now, meaning more shoulder and knee room for everyone. In a class act move, rear passengers get Nissan's zero-gravity seats for long trip comfort. You can even get a panoramic moonroof to open up the already airy cabin. Do me a solid and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Performance was never the old Kicks' strong suit, but Nissan fixed that. Under the hood is a new 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 141 horsepower, a healthy bump you can feel around town. But the real game-changer is the optional intelligent all-wheel drive system. This is a first for the Kicks, turning it from a city-only car into a legit all-weather SUV. Plus, cargo space is now seriously competitive, with nearly 60 cubic feet available in front-wheel drive models with the seats down. The 2026 Nissan Kicks isn't just an update, it's a total glow-up. It keeps the affordability that made it popular, but adds the three key things it was missing: a bold design, a premium interior, and the go-anywhere confidence of all-wheel drive. While the acceleration is still more daily driver than track star, it's no longer a deal-breaker. You're not just buying a sensible car anymore, you're getting a stylish, well-equipped, and capable SUV that just happens to be affordable. The rest of the class has officially been put on notice.